was once a little ant by the name Sunny and a bird named Tweety. One fine morning, Sunny was taking a walk around and enjoying cool breeze.
La 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 la, la 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 la.
While she was walking, she suddenly slipped and fell into flowing river.
Help, 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 help me!
She was struggling to come out but could not, as the water was flowing very fast. Tweety, which was flying above, saw Sunny struggling.
Oh, there is an ant. Let me save it.
Tweety plucked a big leaf and threw it in the water next to Sunny. Sunny quickly climbed on the leaf and managed to survive.
Thank you so much for saving my life.
Tweety and Sunny went their way. After a few days, Sunny was walking around in search of food and suddenly noticed a hunter taking an aim at Tweety.
Oh no! Sunny! Sunny! Oh, let me do something.
Seeing this, Sunny immediately rushed and stung Hunter's leg hard. The hunter missed the shot and cried in pain, and the Tweety flew away safely.
Thank you for saving my life, Sunny.
Tweety later thanked Sunny, and they remained friends forever. Moral of the story: do good to others and it will come back.